Next question.
I guess. Georgie! Kuzi from Massive Events. Now, when we talk about putting all this together, you are the foot soldiers, you are the guys on the ground, you are doing the things that people cannot see behind the scenes to make all of this come together. You're the guys who move things that people don't necessarily understand are being moved just to make certain things come into bringing things, everything to one so that everything, the wheels can turn. What can you say concerning the event tomorrow and leading up to the event itself?
Okay, thank you so much, Mox. Yeah, it's Massive Events. We are pretty excited about the build-up into the show. We are also excited about the energy, which we are also seeing in here, and we hope that it will be contagious and be part of the proceedings tomorrow in terms of the energy, in terms of making sure that all these artists line up here, and those who are not here will excite their fans to the fullest. So in essence, we are very, very happy about the build-up. We are very happy because everything is falling into place, and we can't wait for tomorrow because this is a massive, massive show for us.
Fantastic. And for tomorrow, what can people expect in terms of the organization? What will be happening? Coming into the concert, getting into the conference center, what can people expect? And the security as well. When you go to an event, you want to park safely. I know your venue of choice, of course, is impeccable. But what can people expect in general?
Yeah. I think if you have rightfully said, the venue itself, it's a stellar venue, which comes with a lot of security to the property of all the fans. So we are excited about that as well. Then we've also put in systems, and we have got security which will be tight, and we promise that everything will be flawless. And I think also the team in terms of barricading and making sure that every process is flawless, and also the entrances, there's automation in terms of scanning so that there is efficient. It will be efficient. People will not wait longer in queues. So we have tried to manage in that aspect as well to make sure that there is efficient even on the entrances and so forth.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Kuti. And now I turn to the journalists and media practitioners from the different media houses. And if you have any questions, I can bring the mic to you. So please feel free to raise your hand. I'll just bring the mic to you. And it's now your time to have your questions answered. Plot Tanga. It's okay. It's okay. Plot always has the first question.
Thank you so much, Mox. Welcome to Zimbabwe, Alaine. Zimbabweans have loved your music for so many years. And I'm sure, like you've mentioned, that you've been seeing and feeling the love. How does it feel to finally be in the country? The second part of the question, you've been making music for so many years, but the world has been fast changing and adapting to new music, but you've remained very relevant. What has been your secret to longevity in the industry?
Wow, that's a good question. Thank you. Wow, thank you. That was a really good question. First of all, and we were speaking about this last night on your show, gratitude. I start from a place of gratitude, first of all, to be able to sing and to tour and to communicate with people that I would never have been able to communicate with had I not quit my job in investment banking and taken a leap of faith to sing reggae music. And I did that despite people saying to me, it's never going to work. nobody's gonna care about your music. And so I stay grateful. You know, I stay grateful and I stay inspired by being aware of what's going on in life, you know. So I am very aware of the importance of love and the fact that people will never get tired of love. So I'll always sing about love. I'm a student of life, I love to learn. So I'm always listening to older people and to younger people to hear, you know, what do you have to say? What's your take on it? I'll never believe I know everything. Relevance is all God. It's all God. But I just try to stay creative and, you know, people respond and I'm so grateful for that. And of course, I'm overjoyed to be in Zimbabwe. Yes, thanks for that question.
Wow, she was an investment bank. She probably told someone, you have nothing.
Greetings, Embrace.
Greetings.
First of all, I just want to ask you a simple question. All the way from Jamaica to Zimbabwe is a pleasure to us. But as your way of shows, do you have any collaboration with Zimbabwean artists? Because we see the lineup is strong, good. Everybody here band lineup is marvelous when it comes to music. First, you know what? Most of Jamaican people come here by Zimbabwe. They say, Zimbabwe is a motherland. Do you have any wish to come back there by Zimbabwe just to celebrate dancehall music with us as Zimbabweans?
Oh my gosh, yes. That's a really good question. I'm actually working on a collaboration now with an artist from Zimbabwe, so we'll talk about that a little later, right? We'll tell them about that when that happens, right?
Yeah, you can. Do you want to?
No, not before all the things. But yes, something is definitely in the works. And yes, I want to come back. I will come back and just be here for a longer time. Of course, you know, it's a short time. You know, me and the team got here, 2 nights ago? And we flew for 40 hours to get here. It was the longest journey. So we've just recovered. And just in time for the show. So we'll have a great show and definitely I will come back to Zimbabwe. Absolutely.
All right.
Wagwan.
How are them things?
I'm good. Everything good.
Everything crispy.
Chris. Everything Chris.
Everything crisp.
Yeah.
Nice. I'm happy to see you.
Oh, same here.
Yeah.
And I love your shorts.
Thank you.
Oh, yes. I saw him at the airport. You had the flag.
Yes.
Yes, I remember.
Thank you. My name is Koda.
Koda.
Yes.
It's a good name.
Thank you. My question is, what was the story behind your song?
Oh, that's a good story. That's a good question, Koda. Yellow shorts. Okay, so Don Corleone, who basically ruled the airwaves in the early 2000s, going all the way up, you know. I met him. A young lady named Raquel introduced me to him. She had heard my song Deeper. You know that song?
Yeah.
Each time you call, I wanna fall deeper, deeper, deeper. And she played it for him and he said, I want to meet her, I want to do some work with her. So I met him and he said, I have a new rhythm coming out, the Seasons rhythm.
Yes.
And I want you to sing on it. I was like, yes, please. So he burned the rhythm on a CD. So this is how long ago that was, right? And I took it home to my house and sat on my couch in my living room. And I remember being so nervous. I was like, okay, I know this can be a really big deal, you know? And I sat and, because I pray before I write. Every song, doesn't matter what it's about. I just pray that God inspires me. And, you know, I wrote No Ordinary Love on my couch. So I sang it for my mother, because I always sing my songs for my mother. And she goes, it's okay. I mean, can't you write anything better? It's okay. So I was just like, No, I can't. So I played it for Sirani. You know Sirani, right? Yes. At that time, he was just producing. He was part of a production team called Da Seca. And I sang the song for him. And he goes, but I didn't have an intro yet. And he said, Alaine, the song is good, but it needs an intro. And I said, every moment that I awake, every hour of every day, I love how you take my breath away. And he's like, that. And I was like, okay. And the rest is history. That's the story. Of No Ordinary Love.
I wish I could hit your voice.
She's a microphone. She was a microphone. Give us back the microphone.
Nobody has ever said that to me before. You may not.
Then my second question is, I saw your video with Taras and King Shango on 961 Studio.
Yes.
Do you practice, or it was something come on studio?
Yeah, but freestyle. We had a show, all three of us had a show in Trinidad.
Yeah?
And we were being interviewed at a radio station. So the DJ just put on a rhythm and they're like, sing. Because that is very much a part of Jamaican culture. Being just on the spot, making things up and just holding a vibe, you know. And so that's what that was. And that's got millions of views, right? I saw it the other day.
Yes.
It was a good time. Yeah, they're incredible artists, so.
When King Shango said, baby, tell me that you love me.
Sing to me!
Tell me that you care.
Yeah!
I'm
Shorts record.
I'm going thank you.
Bless up, bless up.
Thank you, Kuda. So yeah, now I hope you're convinced. Some people love you, some people are stalking you. Kuda has been stalking you for years.
Kuda with the yellow shorts, I love it.
Thank you, Kuda, for that one. And who else has a question? Who else has a question? All right.
Hey everyone.
Hello.
I am interested to know what your inspiration is. Queen Khadija and the movement 96. Because you said you sing dancehall.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
That's
please share your inspiration.
96 as a musician, as a ghetto youth in Zimbabwe, I'm inspired by my day-to-day life, the things that I encounter every day. I see people moving in a different way. I can sing about that. You know, I'm more of a Zimbabwean Jamaican artist. Yeah, man. That's all.
Queen Khadija.
Okay, thank you for your question. Me, Queen Khadija, I'm also inspired by our day-to-day life because it's real. That's our life, that's what we live doing. So we have to put it into music. Yes, thank you.
Your greetings, Queen.
Greetings, there are two queens, huh?
Queen Alaine, the Queen of Reggae. Queen Khadija is the Queen of Dancehall.
I love that.
Yeah. Welcome to Zimbabwe.
Thank you so much.
We have a lot of reggae artists in Zimbabwe. The likes of Gasporia, Ricky Perplex, and so on. The list is endless. Are you going to have a collaboration with one of the reggae artists in Zimbabwe? A reggae artist in Zimbabwe?
I will let you know about who I will collaborate with in the future. That's all I can say at this time.
Thank you.
Right to plot.
Okay, I'm back again.
You're back again.
That's plot for you.
Yes. So, Jamaican music has inspired Zimbabwean music in a massive, massive way. I don't know how much you know about that, but since our liberation struggle, to the time Bob Marley came for independence, to now, the biggest movement music genre in Zimbabwe is in dancehall. And it has empowered the youth, it has given them life, it has given them a voice. How much of that comes through to Jamaica? How much are you aware of the Zimbabwean movement when it comes to dancehall music?
That's a very good question. I think it's very important to first of all recognize the impact of our small little dot, Jamaica, on the whole world. You know, it blows our minds how impactful our music is all over the world. You know, I think that it is definitely something that people have to take interest in. You know, so for example, you know, musicians especially will listen to musicians from other countries. You know, so we take care to say, okay, what's the music like? Yesterday when I was here, I heard a song about a banana field. Leave my bananas alone. You know that song? Something about bananas. It was really good. It was a good song. Do you know which song I'm talking about? What song? You don't know the banana song? Because I heard the song and it was so catchy. I was like, what are they talking about? And my driver was telling me, you know the song?
Banana song. Can you just it your song?
Banana song. Do you have a banana? Oh yes. So it must have been your song, sis. How does it go?
Queen, can you let me give it? Sing it for us, Queen, please.
Okay, it goes like this. Zvakatanga zviri tasi zvakaoma kuti kwa mupaka ndichichinja zvichiramba muchira akusku zvazonyanya zvichachacha ndiri nani zvimabenga ndichikani puresha richi gangster hande pane mari toy collect ndotomusona kozi wangu wane knowledge handisi givi ndingaflexera nonsense auya maora vachiekta comedy potent feeling very important. My enemies ndokupai torment. Mafansi angu yese ndokupai content. Batamana tika banana. Timu yaka na. Baka kaka na. Timu yaka. Yes, it goes like that. Yes, thank you.
Pulo.
Okay, nothing can get me down. No, not today, no. Okay, nothing can get me down. No, not today, no. No way. With my troubles, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Worry, I say bye-bye. Bye-bye. So good! You sing the banana song!
That was such a good moment. Check. Hello? Check. Okay. Yes, so it's just for us to become more aware of each other and to embrace each other more, you know, because there's so much we can share and grow together. So you're so good. Your voice is so powerful. Yes, sis. Yes, queen. Yes. Come 96, you have a banana song? What song? I want to hear one of your songs.
Yeah. Ndakuziva kuti nanga izvirapi. Chero therapy, standard therapy. Koiye doctor norapa. Akarwara anorapa. Zvimwe zvacho hapana wanudza. Patidwesa nyemwerero tozvivanza. Asi zvirimo mumwoyo zvichirwadza. Ndinoti dai ndangogona ndazvikunda. As a gangster me smiling this torment I laugh through the fire. Yeah.
Amen. Question.
Big voices, big powerful voices, yes.
Question.
Okay, hello, Alaine.
Hello.
Okay, my first opportunity. I thought this thing is called an opportunity, a microphone. As everyone says, let me take this opportunity. My name is Alphonse Manyara from Pasha TV. It's an online channel. My question is, from your point of view, from the artists who is singing for you, because I understand it seems like you have not yet listened or sampled to the Zimbabwean reggae artists, dancehall artists. How would you rate them in terms of understanding what they are singing?
Not yet listen, no. From I came here, I started listening. And so first of all, and I think a lot of the dance hall, it sounds so good because I can hear the Jamaican influences, but then I hear you make it your own. So it's not like a carbon copy at all. It is very much an interpretation, and then you say, but this is my life. So it feels good. You can feel that the artists love the music, and it's a vibe, you know. I don't know what you're saying sometimes, but it feels good. And if music feels good, it's gonna move people, you know. So I look forward to more Zimbabwean artists just making it big on the world stage, because you have everything already, you know. So yeah.
All right, Empress, we back again. My question is, you know why? We live in a poverty things. Everybody is being interrupted about dancehall business. Not that dancehall business is not good, but the image of dancehall, most of people, they see that different way. Some they think, you see this type of music, it's only Ababakan music, and this music is from the drunken people. What do you say about the musical team in terms of drug and abuse, likes of marijuana, cocaine, so on and forth? Most of the people, they're being underrated. How do you take it? Personally, you as an artist, all the way from Jamaica, is it Jamaican music full of drugs thing?
Okay, let me see if I understand your question. First of all, you're saying dancehall is characterized by marijuana and cocaine. Is that what you said?
No.
Oh.
This is just a question. Most people,
right?
They always think about drug thing when it comes to dancehall.
Oh, really?
Or even reggae music. Oh. If you sing reggae, most of people say, this artist is under the influence of drug thing.
Where do you know? Where are you coming from with that question?
Most of people.
Most of people?
Here in Zimbabwe.
In Zimbabwe?
There's R&B, there's hip hop.
Is that true? Most people in Zimbabwe think that people take drugs and sing. No. I think you're the only person, maybe.
I'm just asking, in terms, if you like dance music, it will be easy for you. And you say, well, with me. But there's certain genres, different genres from dancehall. They want to fight dancehall, so they say, no, Jamaican artists always being in drugs.
Oh.
You see where I come from. I'm not saying the dancehall music is full of drugs. I'm just asking a question so that most of the people in Zimbabwe, they will understand what dancehall it is, where dancehall come from.
So if the question is where does dancehall come from? Dancehall comes from the dance, right? It started as music that celebrated dancing, whereas reggae, you know, we fought the system. Reggae is love as well. Reggae is the voice of the people. Reggae is consciousness and overcoming. Dancehall music is you celebrate dancing, you celebrate women, you celebrate life. Of course, there's also cultural discourse in dancehall music as well. And there are some people who smoke marijuana who sing rock music, R&B, pop. You know, it's not dancehall music alone. And you know, honestly, I don't really understand the question that you're asking, but overall, dancehall is about dancing. And reggae music is, of course, love music and consciousness and overcoming and fighting the system and rising above. Yeah.
Koda is back.
Yeah. I think, point of correction, marijuana in Jamaica, is it a drug or it's a herb? I think you have to correct him.
Oh, I am not qualified to speak on marijuana in Jamaica. I'm qualified to speak about reggae music and my songs. That's it. Yes.
Thank you. I want you to give you a Shona name.
Give what a Shona name?
Rugo.
Rugo?
Rugo.
Rugo. What?
Rugo.
the red-nosed reindeer, like Rudo.
Yes. So
That's my name.
Yes, you are now Rudo.
I thank you.
Yes. So I call you Rudo. Yes, Rudo. When you come back here next time,
Yes.
I want to go with you to Gonare Show.
What is that?
Victoria Falls.
Oh!
Yes.
So it sounds like a date.
I want you to come. Yes, that's why I want to eat your voice.
No, I'm taking you this time. No. Alaine, I don't know.
What is that?
I don't know. That was all. Okay, I'll take one more question, guys. We're out of time now. All right.
Alaine, how are you?
I am well, Queen. How are you?
I'm good. I'm Primrose Miracle from Bahasha TV.
Nice to
So
meet
my
you.
question is something like personal.
Oh, my Lord.
Okay. My question is about you and Don Cole. Most of the songs you were produced by him. Would you say he is the only producer who can really produce your music? And if so, you like to work with Zimbabwean producers?
Oh, Don Corleone is the first producer who brought me to recognition for sure, right? And it's okay. And yes, I have several hits with him, and I have several hits with many other Jamaican producers as well. As well as I've worked with a few Kenyan artists, so I have hits with Kenyan producers as well. And I'm obviously very open to working with people who are creative, you know, so I would never turn down an opportunity to do something that could, you know, make my life better and everybody else's life better. So I'm open to working with many people, of course. But of course, Don is not the only producer that I have hit songs with. Yeah.
Thank you.
But he's a brilliant producer, and yes, you know, we'll probably work again in the future soon. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Prim. With that, I'll ask maybe Godfather Templeman, maybe you can close this one up for us as an artist and, of course, as being part of the movement. And, of course, remember, tomorrow is going down. Let everyone know what is happening.
Thank you so much for coming through to the press conference. Tomorrow is going to be a good day. It's going to be an amazing day. That's tomorrow. And the Queen is here, live in living colors. And for all journalists, please stay behind so that we can make sure that all your names are taken down for accreditation. And as for the setups, everything is on point. Sound, stage and lighting, the security, everything is on point. Everything is right in time. And thank you once again for coming through. But I've got a favor to ask the Queen before she goes. My favorite song, Jehovah Jireh. Please, just 5 seconds, 10 seconds of that song, please.
If you promise to sing it with me.
Thank you, Khadija, for coming through for me.
So, you good? Exactly. So, I will never ever be alone. You're always beside me, holding me and calling me your own. Only to you I belong. Jaja, ooh, Jaja, you, Jaja, are my closest friends. Jaja, King, Jaja, you are everything, so I sing.
Jehovah Jireh, my provider.
Jehovah Jireh, you're my provider. Jehovah Jireh, you're my provider.
More tomorrow. More tomorrow.
Alaine, everybody. Tale of Two Cities with John Fraser. Afroculture Connect is happening tomorrow, Saturday. It's going down. Thank you so much, Alaine, Queen Khadija, 96, Godfather Templeman, George from Crown Pharmacies, and Goodsy from Massive Events. Thank you so much for all of you who made it here today from the different media houses.
Thank you.
And of course being part of this beautiful press conference. So let everyone know it is going down tomorrow. This is not a fib, this is not a fluke, this is not a lie. Everything is set, good and ready to go. So let them know they can come through. See you tomorrow.
And we are going to find you. Yes.
I'm trying. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
One more and we're done, guys.
Yeah.
She wants to play
One more.
Yes. Please, it's the last one, please. It's the last one, please.
All right.
Yes.